Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. We are back at the 614S storage facility. We are about to unload this truck, organize everything, and load the facility. We actually have been blessed with a food pantry. The really cool thing about this is we know it has been ordained by God because it's a church that was actually closing down their pantry, and when they heard about us, they were like, hey, take over the pantry, do what you got to do. And that's exactly what we're doing. We have enlisted so much help from everybody that goes to my nephew's church, which is my previous church. Our pastor, the first lady, their family, and some church family are all here helping us today. If you're new here, my name is Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so it's cooking, cleaning. Been doing lots of decluttering lately because my house definitely needs decluttered and organized. I also do a little bit of DIYs, projects, and repairs. Now, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please stick around. Make sure you like, hype, subscribe, and leave a comment. That way I can show you some love.
Lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow.
This stuff right here is all ranch, and I think there's 100 boxes. I'm not even exaggerating. They're everywhere. I saw some random people and gave them away to them. This has been fully unloaded with an exception of this stuff right here. Anybody need some creamy cashew butter? And the Campbell's tomato soup. This is some of the stuff that I brought home. I also did some special deliveries for some of my neighbors, but I want to go ahead and get all this stuff unboxed and put away. So I thought you might like to organize with me, and if not, then I'm sorry. I also have a few more things in my car too, but like this is really what I brought home. Let's talk about how hot it was outside. It was about 85 degrees with 199% humidity. I'm exaggerating on the humidity, but that's exactly how it felt. So I want to quickly get this done so that I can get in the shower because your girl is hot. And if you know anything about perimenopause, I don't need anything adding to the hotness that I already deal with. But I'm not complaining. I'm very thankful for this opportunity that we have been given because one of my acts of service, one of my special gifts, one of my love languages, that is the word I was looking for, okay, is acts of service. I never knew that Mr. Clean had the sponges that are like the soft sponges that already have dish soap in them. I was like, okay, Mr. Clean, listen, I need y'all to sponsor your girl, okay? I use your products all the time. Now that I'm nearly finished with organizing everything, it is time for me to take a shower. This is what my kitchen is looking like, so much better than before. This is what my living room looks like now because I came home from work and my husband changed it around. There was one of this chair right here was in my daughter's room, and he added it back to the couch. Still has this part separated, but the couch needs an overall gypsy couch clean. So we're gonna handle that right now. And I'm curious to see if he put my pillows back behind the couch because you know I like to hide stuff behind my couch. Yep, he did. I feel like it looks more cozy this way. I don't know. The other thing that I need to do is dust all of the pictures off in here, and that mirror definitely needs cleaned off. That's what I'll be cleaning my couch off with, the yellow Mr. Clean antibacterial. One day, they're gonna sponsor me. I'm speaking it into my life.
But if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, I don't mind you.
Here's what the water looks like before I actually clean it. It just has the yellow Mr. Clean antibacterial, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished. What I like to do with this is grab my cleaning bowl, put some hot water in it, get my rubber gloves, and just go to town. I'm telling you what, if you've never done this before, you should definitely try it. It makes your living room smell amazing. Plus, it's really quick and easy to do, removes the stains, removes any kind of odor or anything that you have going on your couch. Before I do my gypsy couch clean, I made a rookie mistake by lighting a candle. I used to have a candle that sat right here, and as you can see, there's dark marks from the candle, so I need to make sure that I get that cleaned off. I'm gonna do that real quick first, and then do the gypsy couch clean. I thought I was crazy for a minute. I kept saying, why is there a shadow on my wall? And then I thought about it. A few weeks ago, I hosted a dinner party at my house, and I was lighting candles, but we had a toddler in the house, and I didn't want any candles laying down low, obviously, because you don't want the toddler to touch the candle or anything like that. So I was like, oh, I'll put it right here, not even thinking, because I have so much going on. I will never do that again, and I know better. For real, I know better. Feeling like we need something more heavy duty, because you can still see that. So I'm gonna get some, what's that stuff called? Dawn Power Wash. That should take it off, and we're gonna go from there. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Let me know what you've been working on. Your girl been working on her mental health, okay? Because I have fallen into a sadness. I don't want to say depression, a sadness. And I know exactly where the sadness stemmed from. And it's just a matter of me getting through it, because you can't just turn depression on and off. I clinically have depression, anxiety, but I'm going to get through this. So if you love Jesus, say a prayer for your girl, okay? I know I can count on O to pray for me, Tiffany to pray for me, Grammy to love, Mukbang to pray for me, and P-Dub stuff. I love y'all so much. Thank you for being here, everyone, but I really love them. So make sure you go check out their channels, and I will link them in my description box. That is no better, but the rabbit hole that this is trying to send me on, I don't have time for that today. I got to do this gypsy couch clean. I have so many other things that I need to handle. I will get to that at another day.
Was you not on your knees? Wasn't it for me?
Work your way from top to bottom. I don't know why I forgot to dust. Listen, y'all was supposed to remind me of that, okay? Another thing about perimenopause is sometimes you have brain fog and you forget things, especially right in the middle of a sentence, which I was already dealing with that stuff from the chronic fatigue syndrome anyway. So yeah, I totally forgot that I needed to dust, even though I already told y'all I needed to dust. So now I'm getting the dusting done. Going back to the sadness, listen. Never ever be afraid to talk about your feelings, your emotions. I grew up in a generation where people didn't talk about that kind of stuff, but I be the one to be like, listen, your girl's sad, I feel anxious, whatever the case may be, because you don't know what other people are going through, and it could help them because they may think they're alone. But I want you to know that if you feel that way, you are not alone. Some people feel like that every single day. Some people, it depends on what the situation is. But I serve a God who is willing and able, and I know He's going to get me through this, and I know He will get you through it as well.
You only got one life to live, so don't waste them on these douchebags. What's in it?
I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same?
When you're doing a gypsy couch clean, be sure to keep your cleaning cloth fresh. And what I mean by that is do one cushion, dip it back into the water, wring it out real good, do the other cushion, and repeat. That way you're not just rubbing dirt everywhere, because that would defeat the purpose of what you're doing. Another thing is, don't be afraid to go over the same spot continuously, because sometimes you might have like a stain if you eat on your couch. I know that sometimes I come in here and eat. I don't always sit at the table. Your girl like to be comfortable watching a TV show or whatever the case may be. And sometimes we spill food, right? I don't always use a table when I'm sitting on my couch. So keep that in mind as well. What I will say is this is a good way to incorporate this into your cleaning routine monthly. That way you won't ever have any kind of smells or anything like that on your couch. I know one time, I tell the story all the time. My cousin came from the gym one time and he sat on my couch. It was not this couch. I could not get the smell out. At all. If you know me, I am so weird about smells. I don't like stinky smells. I don't like strong, I'm weird about smells. I ended up getting rid of the couch. No lie. You can ask my mom. You can ask my kid. Yeah, I got rid of the couch because I'm like, it smelled like sweat and body odor and I'm not about that life. And why would you come to somebody's house without taking a shower after you left the gym? But that's a whole nother story.
Are you the same? 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 Are you the same?
Here are the before and after shots of the water. The water actually wasn't bad. Now it's time to get this TV cleaned off. I could not tell you the last time I cleaned off my TV. That is one thing that I need to work on better, is cleaning off the TVs in my home. I don't know why, but it's just not something that I clean often, but I really should, because first of all, it was moved recently, so there was a lot of fingerprints on it. But I like looking at a clear screen. I'm sure we all do. And if you know anything about my home, I live in a dust bucket. So that's something that I really need to be mindful of. I'm using the magic concoction to clean off my TV. So it's the white distilled vinegar, the original Dawn dish soap, a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and some water. When I tell you you can clean nearly anything with that solution, it works wonders, okay?
I'm here when you need me. I'm yours. If you let go. If you let go. If you let go. If you let go.
This mirror had also been moved from one side of the room to the other, so it needed a good wipe down as well. I love this mirror. It didn't cost hardly any money because I think the first one they sent me was broken, so they replaced this one and gave me a discount. I ordered it through Amazon somewhere. I'll have to find the link and link it for you. But let me tell you something about this right here. That almond scented wood cleaner from Method is amazing. It smells so good. I have even cleaned my countertops with it on accident before. And it kept them real clean. But let me tell you a little secret. After you deep clean your sink, you can actually put that in your sink and just wipe it down with that. You have to do a deep clean first, okay? But once you wipe it down with that, it has a shine or something to it, and it just makes your sink look so good. And for me, when I enter my home, I enter through my kitchen, so I don't want to be seeing a whole bunch of stuff in the sink. Plus, it causes a lot of bacteria and makes your house smell. But there ain't nothing like a shiny sink, okay? Thank you for being here with me today and taking the time out to watch my video. I know you could be doing so many other things. Hopefully you're either cleaning with me, organizing and decluttering, or just enjoying the music. But just know that you're appreciated, you are loved, and you are worthy. And if you haven't subscribed already, tell me exactly what it is that you are waiting for. First of all, you're going to get some comic relief because I just be saying some crazy stuff. You will also get a lot of cleaning tips and love, okay? I feel better now that this is clean, but I'm really tired, y'all. I'm sitting on the floor because the couch is still damp. This looks really good. Let me talk about how anal I am with the TV. I very seldom clean my TV. That's one thing that I typically do not clean often is my TV, which I need to do better with that. But you know, it is what it is. But the TV's real clean and I went over it several times. Everything smells so good in here. I wanted to switch out the table because I wanted this table to go here, but now I'm a little, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. This lamp is definitely too big for this table, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter, right? I will eventually get a new one. I have to put all this stuff away. That almond scented wood cleaner is amazing. The couch feels good, smells better. I showed you what the water was looking like afterwards, but I know a lot of people like to clean their couch with an actual carpet cleaner, but that's not really the best way to clean your couch because of so many reasons. Google it if you want. Trust me if you want. If you don't care, you don't care. But I'm always wanting to teach you guys something when you come here. But I'm really tired. I need to put some lip gloss on. I need to put all the pillows and the blankets back. I need to lay down. I need to vacuum the floor. I need to do a lot of things. But sometimes things can wait because you really need to listen to your body. It's all about self-care. Got some cloves, got some cinnamon sticks, as well as some pistachios, and there she goes. Oh, she didn't fall all the way off. Anyway, I'm gonna fill these up because I think they're really pretty and I'm gonna put them on my countertop. That looks good. Obviously, I need more pistachios. These will not sit upright, so if you're a perfectionist, sorry. Just the simple things for me. I like how that looks. It adds a little bit of warmth over here to this space. Gypsy couch clean. I did that yesterday. This is the next day, and I think it looks really good. It smells so good and fresh in here.
It's not